To the first showing on British network television of the supernatural thriller based on a novel by Henry James. Valerie Bertinelli and Diana Rigg head the cast of The Haunting of Helen Wilfield.
An Oscar-winning Western from John Huston now on BBC Two. In the hunt for gold, Humphrey Bogart discovers the darker side to human nature.
A glittering, multi-Oscar-winning musical now on BBC Two. With Embraceable You, Our Love Is Here to Stay, and lots more legendary Gershwin songs. Gene Kelly is an American in Paris.
And kicking off our Christmas Eve here on BBC Two, the chance to catch up on yesterday's action in...
Doing the weekly shop in the animal kingdom is not an easy task. David Attenborough now on BBC Two with the trials...
Canada by train. Mountaineer Chris Bonington's great railway journey takes him via the Rockies in 5 minutes here on BBC Two, after we've made an extra stop in Sussex.
Room 101 in half an hour here on BBC Two after we take a trip back in time via the TV listings to 1973 with memories of a royal wedding, Pan's People and Mr Ben in a new series now. That was The Week Rewatch.
Now on BBC Two, out into the fresh air for the first of two heats where dog and owner come face to face with some stroppy sheep.